Hello friends, welcome again. In this video I'm going to test if we can delete a product. Okay, so open the PHP storm and here, so we have test, can update a product, can see the edit page and can store a product. Now we need to delete. So public function test that the admin can delete the product. And first we need to create a user and a product. So copy this one and paste it here, but I'm going to associate the product with subproduct. Okay. We don't have, so if I open the route, web routes, we don't have the route to delete a product. So let's go and test what we get. So let's say $sign this and see if we have a product right now. Assert equals, and we need to have one product here, so product and count or product. Okay, and open terminal, artisan, test, and all passed. 20 tests. Okay. Now we have a product. Let delete that. $sign response, and it's going to be this. We need to act in as a admin. And we need the delete row now. Delete and products / and the product ID. Okay. And let's check if this assert equals to be 0 now. Product count. Okay, so first we check if we have any product. Now we expect it to have 0. Let's check. And it's going to fail, yeah. Because we don't delete, we don't have this route yet. So and if I say here assign response and assert status 302, okay, expected status 302 but received 405. So the row doesn't exist. Come here and create that route. Copy this and paste it down there. Say delete product ID, and it's going to be destroy and destroy here. Okay, run test again, and it's going to fail. And here we have the destroy does not exist. this method. Let's go and create that. So open the product controller and create the method, public function, destroy, and here we need the product, $product, and let's delete that product. Product, delete, and after that we are going to return, redirect, or the route, and when we go to the products index. Okay, let's check now. Artisan test and all passed. So we check now if the asset status is 3 or 2 if we have 0 products, and if I change this and test again, it's going to fail because we don't have any product. Okay, back to 0. And that's it for this video, friends. Hope you enjoy and see you in the next one. All the best, friends.